Hello everyone, so today I'm going to do an update for both the MoneyTree and the King Robot, both from Leapfx, which I'm running on a live account, both IC markets. So first up, MoneyTree. Since we last spoke, we have had some more trades. So we've had some trades yesterday. Before that, I'm not sure when I did the last update, but you can see that as we know with MoneyTree, you can get a cluster of trades and then you can get nothing for a couple of days or a couple of weeks. So on the 24th, we had a trade and then we had another one trade on the 26th and then nothing for a few days. And then yesterday, we had Euro Yen, 4 trades, which all ended up in profit. In the ongoing trades, we have currently 2 trades running on Aussie Kiwi, and as you see, this was the original one. It's gone in negative, so it's gone against us, and then it's the recovery trade has also kicked in. Once again, that's also has gone against us. And that's currently minus 114, so that's coming up for about 8 to 9% of my account at the moment. So let's see how that goes. In fact, let's have a quick look at what the chart looks like. This one here. MoneyTree Robot, you see this is our, zoom out a bit so we can see a bit more what this looks like. This was the first sell trade. This was the second sell trade. This is take profit. And obviously we are right up here at the moment, so it needs to come down all the way down here before it hits the profit. It's possible that there will be a third recovery trade, perhaps further up here to try and claw back. So that's MoneyTree. If I click under here, this should be the King Robot, which we installed just the other day. If we go to account history, you can see where we started. That's just 2 days ago, and initially I started on 0.01 lot, and then I scaled up, so I went to 0.1, and you can see we've had a string of trades. These are all targeting 10 pips as a take profit, and there's a 60 pip stop for each of these as well. And you can see that you got 10, 20, and then we got minus 60 here, so that's minus 40, and then you get minus 30, minus 20, and then 20 here, so that's you break even now, and then the rest of this is profit. So you get profit of 93 so far. Trade, however, we're still in profit overall. So equity is $40. Currently, we've got don't double click that too hard. Currently have a sell on the Aussie dollar, which doesn't go too well. And I think the difference between this one is that you get some diagrams. So this is the take profit, I presume, which is getting close to it. So that will probably close out. Sorry, in a stop here, and then the others. I think something just closed just now, didn't it? So let's go to account history. I think we just had another. Yes, we did. It's gone to 106 now. So we had another take profit just now, and then it opens up immediately again. So I think that's how it works. So these are always in trades, and it's selecting trades. I'm interested now to find out that if this hits the stop, is this going to become a buy? In fact, we've got another movement here. Yeah. What happened there? I think we just had a loss. Okay, we just had that's the Aussie, the USD just took a hit. So that's gone now, as you can see. We're still up, and it's still ticking. So I think the way this one works is that it just keeps on going. It keeps on opening, closing, opening, closing. There are more wins than losses, so they cover up the losses. I think that's how it works. So I'm just thinking out loud now. So this was a loss. This was our loss. So we go to time of closure. This is the time of closure. So this was our loss. This was a sell. So I'm thinking now perhaps because it lost, it will go into a buy. Is that what happens? Yeah, it's currently a buy. So perhaps these would just keep going. Maybe this just keeps going buy until we get a loss and it goes the other way. And maybe it's the same for these ones as well. So they just keep swinging from all sells until you get a loss, and then it becomes all buys, and then all the buys until that you get your first loss, it becomes all sells. So I'm curious to see if that is the case. Let's monitor. Let's see how it goes. But so far, yeah, we are up. 2 days of trading, and loads of trades, as you can see here. Loads of trades, lots of action. So yeah, let's keep it's going, and let's keep monitoring.